And as you can see here, guys, you can make $71, $357, $700, $1,400, $3,000, $7,000, and even more than that. And I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with this in this video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing, showing you 4 ways that I actually actively make money with right now. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's when you join a program, you find a product, you promote that product to somebody, they track the sale, and you get a commission from that sale. It's usually between 10 up to 50%. And that's how I make a lot of my money online. And I want to show you exactly how to do this. Now, you're not going to need your own website to go ahead and do this. And I'm going to show you how to do everything step by step. And some of these ways, you won't actually need any money either. Now, this is important. All of these methods that I'm showing you, I have made money from. So I'm showing you stuff that I actively make money from. So let's jump into this and I'll show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing with these 4 easy ways. All right, guys, so this method is number 1. Now, this isn't in order, so it's not necessarily the best method to do, but I'm going to go over exactly what this is. And this is doing software product reviews and tutorials. And in this video, we'll specifically talk about GetResponse and Thrive Architect because I've made a lot of money doing this. If you don't know what Thrive Architect is, this is a product where you can go ahead and create landing pages and things like that. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom, you can go ahead and you can click on the affiliate program and you can sign up to become an affiliate. And once you become an affiliate, you can go ahead and promote this specific product right here. And you go ahead and you make money when people click on the link. And this one is extremely good. Now, let's say you get 100 sales, you would make $7,154 around about. And this is based on the average value. If you got 50 sales, you'll get around about 3,000, 20 sales, 1,400, etc. It's absolutely insane. There is a lot of money to be made. In fact, this is one of the best ones I've used to make money. The next one is called GetResponse, and this is very similar. And we'll talk about this in a second because I've actually done content on this. And we'll talk about this one first because I've actually done content on this. But if we go to the bottom, you can find their affiliate program section right here as well. Now, GetResponse is a very unique program because you can actually do a lot with this. You can do email marketing, autoresponders, website builder, landing pages, live chat, SMS marketing, web push notifications, all types of stuff. If we actually go to Franklin Hatchet GetResponse, you'll see that I've done multiple reviews on this product. I've actually done 3 reviews over the last few years. I try to do one every single year, but I've missed the last couple of years, so I might do another one soon. But you'll see if I actually click on this video right here and we go down a bit into the description, you'll see that there's an affiliate link right here. And when I click on this, it's going to go to GetResponse and I'm going to get a commission when someone makes a purchase. Okay. Now, if we go back to YouTube right here and we put in Thrive Architect tutorials, for example, there's all of these people doing tutorials on how to use it. You don't necessarily have to do a review. You can do a tutorial on how to use parts of it. Now, here is a guy that did one back in 2022. And you'll see he doesn't have too many views and stuff right now, but that doesn't matter. You actually have to build this up over time. So you would have to go ahead and do multiple videos to obviously build up your channel to promote these specific products. But the point is, this is one of the ways that you can make money with affiliate marketing by simply going to these pages, signing up as an affiliate. This one tells you roughly how much you're going to make. Go onto YouTube and make content, either product reviews or tutorials using the product, and then put a link in the description, just like this guy's probably done right here. Yes, he has. He's got Get Thrive. You click on that, you go to the affiliate page, you get a commission when someone makes a purchase. All right, guys, the second method is really cool, and I'll show you how I actually found out about this and started making money with this method. So this is called How to Build Website Tutorials. Now, years ago, probably 8 or 9 years ago now, this guy here called Pat Flynn, he had a video on how to start a website in 10 minutes. Now he's, I think, since deleted that video because I can't find it anymore. And he's got a new one that I think this is the recent one 2 years ago. And if we actually click on this video, you'll see that down here, he will have links to places. So here's a link here to what's called Flywheel, which is web hosting, where he would get a commission from doing a tutorial on how to start a website. And when I first saw this 8 years ago, this was actually one of the first things I started doing on YouTube to make money, was doing tutorials on web hosting. Now, what do I mean? If I go to this website right here, which is called Bluehost, Bluehost is a website where people can make a website. So like they could have a domain name. So like, let's say your name's Jim. You want to have a domain name called Jim whatever, I don't know, jimsomething.com, because you wouldn't be able to get just Jim. Well, you can actually go ahead and promote the web hosting service. So if you go to the Bluehost affiliate program, for example, they actually pay out quite a lot of money. So I get about $100. Yeah. So here we go. How much will I get? You will get at least 70% of each qualified sale, capping at around about $100 per sale. So I get on average $65 to $100 per sale from promoting this specific program. Now, if you actually go ahead and you go and put in, we'll put in Franklin Hatchett Bluehost, you'll see that I did a video 3 years ago. I haven't done any recently, on how I made money with the Bluehost affiliate marketing program, and I actually explained how I made money with this. So what you want to do is go ahead and sign up to Bluehost or another web hosting program to get your little affiliate link. And then you want to go ahead and do tutorials like this guy has done right here. Tutorials like this guy, how to build a website, how to build a website, how to build a website, how to build a website. And it keeps on going. And you do these tutorials on how to build a website. And then in the description, what you do is you put your affiliate link. So down here, he's got his affiliate link, which goes to HostSinger, I think that's called. I think that used to be called something else. And when I click on this, it's going to take me to that specific website. And if I made a purchase and I purchased web hosting, he would get money. Now, why do these guys pay out so much money? Because what happens is when people make a website, they usually sign up for 5 years, 10 years, even 20 years. They sign up for a long time. So these websites can afford to pay you a higher commission. That's why. So that's what I would recommend you do for number 2, is to go and do tutorials on how to make a website. And then even then, if you do just straight, for example, Bluehost tutorials on how to go ahead and set up Bluehost, design a website on Bluehost, and things like that. All right, guys, the next method we're going to talk about is actually making money with affiliate marketing using Canva and doing Canva tutorials. Now my camera's about to go flat, so my face might vanish in a second. But if you don't know what Canva is a place where you can go ahead and design things. And this is actually going to be a public company soon on the stock market. This is a huge company. And once again, you can go down to the bottom and you can click affiliate programs right here, and you can sign up to be an affiliate, which is crazy, right? Because this is a massive company. And you can design lots of stuff on this. Well, other people can design lots of stuff on this. And they have what they call a pricing plan, and you can make money so they've got a free, a pro, and a Teams version, and you can make money when people sign up to this. Now, how do you make money with this? I have talked more in depth about this on another video, but I'll quickly go over it briefly for you. So if you log into Canva, you can see that you can make like social media templates, advertising templates, YouTube thumbnails, and things like that. And then what you can do is you can go to TikTok and you can actually put in Canva and you can do tutorials on Canva. Now, the reason I talk about TikTok and not YouTube for this particular method is because it's way more popular on TikTok. Like if we look at this video here, where this guy has done a that's a pretty bad example. This one here, where he does a video called 10 times your presentations in 30 seconds, and he does a tutorial on Canva. Now this video has 200 and so it's got 600,000 likes. I don't even know how many views this has. This has 7 million views. That's crazy. And if we click on his profile, he's got a link here, and he probably has some affiliate links on that website, and that's how he makes money, by doing Canva tutorials. And this is a huge money maker right now. It's very popular, and people are making insane amounts of money promoting Canva on TikTok. So that's another great way you can do that. I have a video that I will link below showing you more in detail how you can do this and how you can actually go ahead and make the videos. All right, guys, the camera went flat. So Method number 4 is called product launches and solo ads. And I've made a lot of money with this in the past. I don't do a lot of this now because I may have other ways to make money, but I did do a lot of this in the past. So what you want to do is go to a website called muncheye.com. And on this website, people are doing what are called launch promotions. So they've got products that they are going to be launching in the future, and we can advertise them. So I'm going to go to read more, this one right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this affiliate page, and on the affiliate page, it's going to go ahead and tell us what we need to do. So, for example, this launches on these dates here, and then if we go down, we can sign up and give the information. But more importantly, so this is a product about, I'm not sure what the product is. It's a business product on how to start a business, it seems. And you just go get your affiliate link here, and you'll be able to get an affiliate link. It'll take you to a website called JBZoo, where you can go ahead and sign up to get your affiliate link. Now, if we go back real quick, we scroll to the bottom, there should be somewhere down here where they have what are called prizes. Okay, so they give away prizes for each launch. Now, this is really, really good. What we can do is we can go ahead and purchase traffic because there is prize money to be won that we can use for the traffic. So basically, if we come third, fourth, or fifth, whatever, we're going to get money. Go to Google and put in solo ads and go to a solo ad website. This one is called udemy.com, and this is the one that I use. And on this website, people are going to sell you traffic. So you can actually purchase traffic from them. So for example, this guy will sell a click or whatever for 40 cents, and you can actually send people to the affiliate link of this product. We'll go back to this site and I'll show you how many products there are every single day on this website, because there's so many, you're never going to run out of things to actually go ahead and promote. But as you can see, there's lots of stuff that you can go ahead and promote to make money. And what you do is you go ahead and when you get your affiliate link, you pay for traffic from these guys because they have email list in the niche of making money, most of these guys. So this one has an email list in MMO, make money online, and health. So any make money online product or health product, you would click on this and you would go ahead and you would purchase traffic from him to your affiliate link. And he has lots of really, really good reviews. So it means that this is actually working. He has over, where's the reviews? 14,000 positive reviews. So that is a great way that you can go ahead and make money as well with affiliate marketing. Now, my favorite ways right now are going to be number 1, where you do software product reviews because it's evergreen. You're always getting money. And then the second one as well is how to build website tutorials. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. If you want more tutorials on affiliate marketing that are more in depth, check out my videos, and I'll see you next time.